To our sungano yevanhu ubumbano lomphakathi press conference. We'll have our main statement from the convener, Reverend Cooper Mtata. Thank you very much. Yes.
Thank you, Comrade Karifume. We are back here after having announced the Let the People campaign, let the People Decide campaign. And we are transitioning after what happened yesterday. A skunk was skinned. Chidembo chakaviwa mumusha munonua. So we have to transition to a new campaign which is now focused on restoring the constitution. Now the people of Zimbabwe have a duty to make sure that the constitution of Zimbabwe is restored. On the 7th of July, which is yesterday, which will be remembered as a sad day, which is why many of us are putting on black. We are in mourning because on this date yesterday, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe assented to Constitutional Amendment Act number 6 of 2026. In doing so, Zimbabwe entered a new constitutional phase. The issue before the nation is no longer whether the constitution might be violated. The constitutional alteration has now occurred. The challenge before Zimbabwe is therefore no longer one of constitutional defense alone. It is also now one of constitutional restoration. The constitutional restoration campaign exists to restore constitutional order through peaceful, lawful, and democratic means. Our mission is to restore constitutional democracy, constitutional supremacy, and the sovereignty of the people through lawful judicial processes, and peaceful civic action. What guides us? Our guiding principles includes constitutional supremacy, popular sovereignty, rule of law, peaceful democratic action, non-violence, national unity, accountability, and inclusivity. We have two pillars in this campaign. The first pillar is restoration of the Constitution through justice. The objective here is to secure judicial restoration of the constitutional order. And this comprises some immediate actions, including filing cases at the Constitutional Court to challenge the Constitutional Amendment Act number 6 of 2026. We will pursue all available constitutional remedies. We will have a coordination of legal research and constitutional advocacy. prepare regional and international legal interventions where appropriate. The second pillar is restoration through the court of the people. So it's the people themselves taking action to restore the constitution. The objective here is to demonstrate peacefully that constitutional sovereignty resides in the people. And there will be actions taken that include consultation among the people so that we may maintain order, be peaceful and systematic in our execution of this task. There will be dialogues, there will be prayer meetings, there will be citizen petitions, public lectures, community mobilization, peaceful demonstration, peaceful marches, national constitutional assemblies, coordinated peaceful national mass action. So there are a number of campaign phases. Phase 1 comprises constitutional litigation, which includes immediate filing before the Constitutional Court. Then phase 2 will include the citizens consulting about their constitutional rights and how to claim them in a lawful manner, in a manner that ends up in a peaceful situation. So we do not want to have the problem that we are trying to restore constitutional order, but we end up behaving in unconstitutional ways. There will be consultation throughout the country. So this is not a Harare thing. This is for people in all provinces and districts. The national constitutional action will only emerge from consulting with the people. And it will be a coordinated program which is nationwide and undertaken jointly by all people of goodwill, which include the churches, the labor movement, students, residents, civic associations, political formations, liberation war veterans, and other democratic stakeholders. So no one is left here. So even those who signed are invited to participate. So our movements has very clear commitments. And these are almost a repetition if you remember the principles before. We reject violence. We are not trying to revenge for any past wrongs that may have been done to particular individuals. So we are not for revenge, we are not for violence. We do not subscribe to hate speech. destruction of property, forcing of people, intimidation of people, tribalism, political persecution. Rather, we embrace peace, we embrace justice, we embrace constitutionalism, democratic participation, and national reconciliation. Our main message is that the Constitution belongs to the people. It begins by saying, we, the people. Governments serve under it. They serve under the people. Parliament legislates within it. Courts interpret it. When constitutional order is broken, citizens have both the right and the duty to restore it peacefully. That is the mission of the Constitutional Restoration Campaign. So our call to every Zimbabwean: this is your constitution, this is your republic, this is your responsibility. Join the Constitutional Restoration Campaign so that together we may restore constitutional democracy. Together we shall restore constitutional government. Together we shall restore the Constitution. Our motto, therefore, is restore the Constitution. Justice in the courts, sovereignty with the people, peacefully, lawfully, and together. Thank you.